came out of your motor. Are we working on the Milano today?
Yes, we are. Okay, this is my 2020 insurance rate hiker. And we gotta do a little maintenance today, okay?
Okay.
Alrighty, I have a catch can under that stock intake. Guess I know it's stock. I still have one of those pesky warranties. So we're gonna pull that thing out today and see how much gunk, water, oil, and crap that you actually withdraw from the system and it doesn't go back in the motor.
Is Mishimoto a Pokemon?
Yeah. Is what I put on this. And then that is what it collected.
Oh, that came out of your motor?
That came out of my motor.
Dude!
Alright, look, this is that time to settle. When I run this in the summer, I daily it, and it's not as bad. I could usually go 3,000 miles, and it fills this much can up. But in the colder months, 30s and 40s, this is where I get most. It's mostly water. See the water on the bottom?
Yeah.
And the oil on the top. But that gets worse during the spring and fall, and I don't run it in the winter very often unless I have to. Good little part to buy. You struggling with those pop clips? So that was about, I think they're $220, something like that. You could spend a lot of money on those things.
100%.
They make some really expensive ones, but just for what I'm doing, that works just fine. That's pretty grody, isn't it?
Don't mistake this for your coffee.
That's not coffee, no. All right, man. You had enough?
Yeah. Bye, guys.